This is RavenSky again. I'm gonna pull a crypto mom and do a little DIY project here. We ran over a nail in the Subaru in the back tire, so I'm going to show you how to plug the tire. Yay! So real quick, that's the nail right there in the tire. This is the plug kit that I bought from AutoZone or wherever I bought it from. I'm not really sure. You get this. This is you actually. I'll show you how to use these. I don't know what these things are called, but you'll get the idea when I'm getting into it. Basically, I pull the nail out. I push this in there, twist that in there, which creates a little bit of a hole, and then I use this tool right here. If you can see that. I use that tool, and then I take one of these rubber plastic sticky things or something, and I take one of these and I stick it in this little hole right there, and then I use this rubber cement and I put that on this so it helps adhere, or it helps seal itself once I put it into the tire. And then once I do that, we'll just pump the tire up, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so the first thing I got to do is I got to get this nail out, and you got to find a tool to get into this and get the nail out, because once you pull this nail out, usually the air starts coming out. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, yeah, so the air is coming out for sure. Phase 2, putting this in there, twist it in, pull it out. And then phase 3, you take this rubber cement and you kind of put this rubber cement on the plastic or the rubber thing, kind of like this. I'm running out of cement on this one. I'm not really sure how much to put in there. Let me get another one here. Put a little bit of this on the tire. That way when you pop it in there, and then maybe just like some over here or something. I just do a bunch of it. I really don't know how much you're supposed to put on there. So basically, once you've done that, you got to find your little hole here, right there, and then you got to push real hard. It kind of sucks, but got that in there. Pull it out. That should hold. So that's the process, like that. That should hold. We'll just look at it over time and make sure the air's not coming out. So from here, I'm just going to use a blade and cut it off. And this will work here. That doesn't pull apart. There. It's pretty much done. You may or may not be able to see that. That's just going to wear off when you start riding in your car, and that should work for most of your flat tires. If you get one of these kits, I would recommend you get a cordless tire inflator. You can get those things at Lowe's online, like at Home Depot and Lowe's and whatnot. If you keep one of those in your car, and you keep one of these little kits in your car, if you get a flat, you can fix it on the side of the road without having to take your tire off. So I don't know, that's just something you might want to keep in your car for safety reasons or whatever. But so that's how you fix a flat tire. I don't know if I got the last I got the last little bit in there. I had some technical difficulties. I recommend you get one of these flat tire kits, put it in the back of your car. You go get cordless tire inflators. You can order them from Home Depot. You just got to buy the little contraption and the battery. I know the battery's expensive, but hey, it might save you like all-day event if you've got a portable battery tire inflator in the back of your car. So get one of those, get one of the tire kits, and you can call it a day after that. So I appreciate everybody watching and tuning in, and I guess good luck with all your videos, and may we all retire on crypto. Peace.